So snow's finally gone. Decided to get a piece of equipment here, start doing some work. I tried to tackle a lot. It's just doing around right here. Actually playing around a little bit, but goal is to get to work on the barn today, but I gotta open up the stream first. It's all overgrown. This should be pretty quick with this thing. Finished the full day. Put this thing to work. This thing's pretty fun. But yeah, really today was just kind of, for the most part, the idea of just kind of getting familiar with the machine and see if I can get a little bit done. I was able to get a lot of the trenching in the beginning done. Leaving the barn now kind of as the next step. But yeah, it's been making tons of piles everywhere. But it's amazing how much stuff is underneath the grass and stuff. It's like I had no idea all this timber had fallen here. It's like I guess the roof, part of the roof. But yeah, good day. It's funny though, I did the trenching this morning and I thought what would solve that problem would be it, but consequently made another issue here. Obviously this culvert that was underneath here is not big enough. But now it's overflowing this. So I'll be another job to do. You can tell it's flowing out of it pretty good right now. But yeah, that culvert is definitely not big enough. But always more. But yeah, as always, if you guys like this stuff, let me know. I'll keep showing it, videotape as much as I can. See you guys next time.